Welcome back to Accelerate and welcome back to the MX5 build. Now this is the painting process more specifically. Last time we were down here, we got a lot of work done. We did a lot of prep. I'm trying to think now, my memory's shocking. It was...
Strip the car off, door off.
Yeah, we've done...
Started prepping it, door shuts.
Oh yeah, fair play, yeah, doors off. Last thing I did was the door shuts. Now I've just come down today. I love Jay, he was like, right, we'll stop there. Next time we come down, we'll do this, this and this. I've walked into this. The man has already masked, well, 90% of the car, because the idea, I think we're going to do the door shut. Actually, tell you what, Jay, what's the plan for today?
Right, plan today is obviously, I repaired that dent.
Yes. Don't want to cut you off.
The whole panel, to be fair.
But when we got, when I saw the dent in the bonnet, like I said, I did want to get a replacement because there was a dent there. I know very little about bodywork, but the point on it, I thought there's no way you're going to get that dent out. And he's done it. This is why we love him. So, sorry.
Yeah, so basically now, this is what I've been doing after work today. Door shuts all prepped. We're all masked, ready to go. The plan is we're going to prep inside the store.
Yeah.
Well, you're going to prep inside the store.
Yeah.
Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to epoxy prime and high build prime the door shuts and all the parts on the car.
Okay.
But then I'm going to leave it an hour. I'm going to put some rocket hardener in, which hardens the paint quicker.
Okay.
And then give it about an hour. We'll come back out. We'll re-scotch the inside of the door shuts, and then we'll lay your new colour on.
Oh, so we are going to see some colour today. You guys are going to see some colour today. I don't know, I might have to start filming these videos in black and white because there's going to be more and more colour coming in there, but we'll figure that out later. But, well, yeah, let's just get started. Very quick update, the hoodie's come off already. I'm boiling, I'm not used to all this manual labour, so Jay's definitely putting me to work. So I've started prepping the door. Jay has already started messing with the boots. Very quickly, Jay's just showed me something else. Now I've gone at it with the electric sander, and we were going to start prepping it by hand, and you just said about this paste stuff?
Yeah, no, it's just raw scuff. Obviously using a red scotch, this does scuff the paint up, but this...
Yeah, that's... I mean, I've only ever used that, yeah.
It's gritty, so I'll give you an idea now. So that's shiny there.
Yeah.
It's abrasive, so you can hear it there.
Yeah, so it just aids in, it just makes it that bit easier.
Yeah, and I
quicker.
like it because obviously when you've got a bit of monkey stuff in the door shut, it tends to clean it off.
This is why it always helps doing stuff like this with a professional. I didn't even know that stuff existed. It does make sense, and I'm assuming it'll make it a lot quicker. And Jay seems to think, you know, we're flying through this. It's amazing what you can do with another set of hands, and I'm so glad I'm getting involved with this. So, woohoo, let's crack on.
I know that I gotta stay away from all your games, yeah. I know that I found somebody else to love me one day, yeah. You'll realize the grass ain't greener on the other side, no.
Very quick little update. We've got the door masked up. We are basically now, Jay set up his little professional table. We are going to give the car a quick panel wipe down, and then Jay said we're actually going to be mixing the primer, so woohoo! I just want to throw a quick clip in. So, excuse me. We've done a lot of the prepping now. Jay asked me to degrease, so I was degreased as Jay was doing some other bits. And it was only when he gave me a tack rag. I didn't even know what a tack rag was, but he gave it to me and asked me, basically that was the next step to do. The next time you complain about someone that gives you a price to paint a panel, there's a lot of stuff you don't see. I mean, it's only since doing this VJ that I've realised it's not just, we'll just sand it, prime it, no. The amount of different steps we've done just on these panels, you've got degreasing, you've got tacking, and like I said, all the while Jay's been doing this thing over there. So I just want to say, like, people don't realise how much work goes into paint, or good paint anyway. Because I've done a lot of painting that's not good, so it's nice to see it from a professional's perspective. So yeah, respect your painters, guys. Talk to us, Jay.
Right then, panel wiped.
Yep.
Tack ragged.
Yes.
You know what that is now.
All the other little steps, yep.
Right, next stage now is epoxy primer.
Yep. Which is, for those who don't know, basically a primer specifically designed for bare metal.
Bare aluminium, bare metal, anything.
Yep.
So we're going to have a layer of that put on.
Yep.
Followed then by high build primer.
Nice, I know what that is.
So it is also wet on wet primer, but what I'm going to do is, because although you can paint wet on wet, I don't know if there's any painters that'll understand what I'm saying.
Yeah, this is it. Be technical, because I know guys are,
but what happens,
guys of all technical levels.
What tends to happen is, if you go wet and wet with the primer, it can draw in and take a bit of the gloss away from the top layer of paint.
Okay.
So what we're going to do today is epoxy it, high build it. I'm going to put some rocket in.
I didn't even know what that was.
Yeah,
either.
well, this will help the paint go off a lot quicker.
Right.
And then what we'll do is we'll leave it for an hour. I'll get the fire in here, give it a bit of a bake. By then we should be able to then scotch, or at least 400 the top of that primer.
Yeah.
And then go straight on with the new colour.
Yeah, excellent. As you guys can probably see, and as you can tell from the title of the video, we are painting this car. Jay is a professional, but we are painting it in his garage. I wasn't expecting like show car results, but the amount of effort he's putting into this, I don't think it's gonna be too far off.
I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, your friends commentators, and I don't know what you say about our private conversations, but it's got them hating thanks to all the rumors you be claiming. It's cool, I'm done with you, so they can throw you a celebration. You gon' hate it when you see me with somebody living better. I'm trying to tell you that me just doing me gon' have you jealous.
Look at that. This is insane. For those of you that know me that have, well, ever since I've owned this car, like I said, the paintwork has been shocking. I think it's only just hit me now. I mean, it's just awesome seeing it all one colour already. I get really attached to cars, so this really, oh man, I think it's literally just hit me that my car is being painted. And it's all thanks to this young man. I don't think he realises how much it means to me, but this is just, I am so buzzing. So, epoxy primer done. Jay was just saying the next stage is the high build primer, was it?
High build primer.
High build primer, so... Oh man, this is incredible. Now, for some silly reason, Jay has just given me, well, he's going to hand me over the paint gun now. He wants me to prime the bonnet, so keep your fingers crossed for me.
I know that I gotta stay away from all your games. Yeah, I know that I found somebody else to love me one day. You'll realize the grass ain't greener on the other side. No, you did me dirty for the last time, so now I gotta say goodbye.
So the high build primer is dry now, are we saying, Jay?
Yes, it's, well, we've put it on a lot heavier, obviously, on the bonnet where the repairs were, but I put rocket in it now, so as you can see, look, we put a light dust.
Yeah, and the next
On
step,
the
as you
shuts.
said, is scotching. Again, I think he's putting some trust in me now because I've got to scotch these bits, but without going through the paint or through the primer itself.
Yeah.
This is the exciting part now. This is when the colour is going on. This is where the transformation happens. I may have to do this next part in black and white, but I just want to get a shot of the paint going on and probably my reaction. Wow, what a day, what progress has been made, oh man. Right, I don't know what I was going to show you the car, I don't know why, because it's probably in black and white for you guys. But yeah, so we got the door shuts done, all the inside of the door and everything. Good shift today, Jay. I gotta say this man, it's just finished work as well, and he's driven straight on this. I cannot thank him enough, obviously we're so grateful. This car is just gonna look, I cannot explain to you guys, this car is gonna look absolutely crazy. If you have enjoyed the build so far, don't forget to subscribe, because the paint is not the only thing. We've got so much more planned with this thing. So as always guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We will see you in the next one.
Boom!